Well, this is the hatchling rack that I got about half built. There's going to be 14 levels. Here's the other 4 or 5 I got to do. All I did is routed 3-inch heat tape and then just put it in on the end right there, and just use the metal tape to keep it down, the cord down. And coming along to the side here, the legs are 10 inches, 10 and a quarter. I was figuring, well, instead of cutting it down to 6 inches, they're all 4 legs are 10 and a quarter. So I just went ahead and just left it there and had about a 2-inch, 2 and a quarter inch gap in between. And then coming around the back here, that's where all the cords are coming out at, on the side, right on the end right there. That I'll have 3 different thermostats, 3 zones. And then on the very top, of course that ain't going to be where it's at. I'm going to just put it up there for brace and everything. And as soon as I get the last one done, I'll put that down, and then I've got 3/4 inch plywood that I'm going to paint and put on the bottom of it, and that's going to have rollers on it. And when I get it done, when I get it all done, I'll go ahead and take another video of it inside the reptile room. Alright, talk to you guys later.